All right. What the hell? My stream doesn't show up as English. Why is my stream not showing up as English? What the fuck? English. Okay. That's weird. My stream's not showing up as English. Okay. All right, let's start. Okay, this window contains information about everything in the game. Oh, why did it just stopped? The music just stopped. Okay. You can move windows around by dragging and dropping the gray part of the window. You can move around by dragging anywhere outside of the windows. To get started with programming, go to first program page by clicking it. Be sure to check out buttons in the top right corner of the screen. Hover over them to see tooltips. All programming is done in code windows. Each code window corresponds to a text file. You can rename the file by clicking on its name at the top of the window. Code can be created or edited like in any text editor as long as it's not running. You can execute the program directly by pressing the green play button in the code window. You can create more code files using the plus button. Okay. Currently, there are two drone commands to harvest and do a flip. Okay, collecting grass will give you hay. Hay can be used to unlock loops in the unlock menu. Okay, so alright, so unlocks a simple while loop. Unlock cost. Unlock cost 5 hay, so I don't have it unlocked already. I do have it. What if I just do harvest? Okay. I guess I have to do that 5 times. Right, now I unlock the while loop. Okay. Unlock the while loop, and the value is true and false. While loop keeps executing the loop body. Okay. Let's say Okay. Oh, it's hiding the achievements. I should move myself over a bit. Okay. Alright, well, let's try doing some other stuff, like do a flip. Okay, cool. I don't know what doing flips. I don't know what doing a flip does, but okay. So add speed. How much do I? Okay, I got 70. Speed upgrade. The execution speed has been doubled. Resulting in no harvest at all. Oh. Branches and can harvest function are now unlocked. Okay. So I could just say if can harvest, then harvest. Oh, I guess because I was doing a loop, it was already like what's this? Okay, so wait, what if I do something like this? There, it's basically doing what it was doing before. Okay. This doesn't need to be that big right now. Alright. Unlocks planting. Yeah, it's movement. Yeah, your farm has grown. The space is not much use if you can't move the drone. Move requires you to specify direction. Northeast, southwest. Oh, okay. So it automatically goes. Okay. Do I have to unlock music or something? I want the music to come back. Alright, planting grass is nice because it grows automatically. All the plants have to be planted with the plant. As a bush. All clear to reset the farm to all grass. Yeah, you will need to research polyculture to learn more. Okay, okay. So hold on. So something like counter equals 0. If counter equals 0, then let's just say um, , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , , And what I'll do is I'll do plant output and these bush. Yeah, all I have is a bush right now, though, right? Let's call clear. I guess I don't need to move anything right now. Need board. Oops. Okay. Now it'll do its thing if we can't harvest. Otherwise, do a flip. Okay. Cause a runtime error. Oh, variables must be unlocked. Okay, that's awkward. Oh no, but if I do that, it's gonna keep doing it over and over again. Okay, oh here. Solid 4. Functions must be unlocked too. Okay, well then. Okay, nice. Oh, we have to constantly plant the bush. No. Oh, bush gives me these wood. Okay. There's a worse way I can do this. Like this. Oh, this bush takes too long to grow. Okay. Let me just keep what I had before. I wonder if can harvest. Takes one tick to execute. Okay. I want a way to know that what I'm harvesting is a bush. Okay, for now, I can just do this. If not harvest, then 1 plus 1 equals 4 divided by 2. What? Okay. I just want more speed. Okay. Now I need carrots. Ooh, increase the yield of the grass. The soil and plant carrots. Like a little bit. You're all about 4 loops, so now you only need to repeat code in a fixed number of times. Get world size is also available now. It returns the side length of your farm. Oh. Okay. So I think basically we copied this here. For I in range. Get world size. We do all the stuff we were doing before. And then at the end we do move east, and then we do it again. Think. Yep, there you go. And then it should go back to the beginning. Okay, cool. I'm not gonna use the hints. I don't need hints. Okay. Okay, so we got carrots now. Plenty carrots. Planting carrots cost wood and hay. These items will automatically be removed when planting. On page. Oh damn. Okay. Okay, so I need to change this so that I can get. When do I unlock variables? I need 35 get variables. Get a variables. I need to get this. Okay. For now, I don't need any more of these. I think I did this wrong. Why is it doing? Oh no, it automatically starts at this one. Oh, because I'm moving north immediately. Oh, I see. If I just do this, I think that should fix it so it doesn't look as jank. There we go. Okay, that looks better. don't really know why I would do this, but oh wait, okay, hold on. I have an idea. Well, no, I don't have any carrots. Okay. I have an idea. Basically, hold on. What is this? Okay. So if I say if I divided by 2, I divided by 2 equals 1. This is gonna be so dumb, but planned entities dot push. Ugh. If I by 3 equals 1. Oh wait, no. I think this is 0, 1, 2, but we'll see. And wait, no, but I have to till it first. Till. Okay. Let me try this. Okay, yeah, it's like what I thought. Let's do 1 plus 1. Alright, this has worked out. Awesome. Okay, there you go. Oh, I broke something. Not planned. Okay. Something got messed up there. Oh, I see. Okay. All of this code needs to go after I harvest the current one. Otherwise, we just do a flip and move on. Okay, now this makes sense. I think by the time I was getting back there, the carrot wasn't quite ready yet. Okay, I still messed up somehow. Oh, I don't need to keep tilling it, huh? Falling till again will change it back to grounds grassland. Okay. I'm basically untilling it. But I don't know how to check. Is there a way to check what you're currently looking at? Yeah. Oh well, whatever. It's fine. It works for now. I'm just getting. It works for now. Okay. What was the upgrade we were going for? Variables. Times the speed, trees. Okay, let's unlock variables. Okay. Now that we have variables, let's do what I originally wanted to do, which was having a counter. Okay, so counter equals 0. Okay, so we don't have functions unlocked, so I'll just keep it like that for now. Okay, so if counter equals 0, then let's do our init, basically init the board. So how do I want to do this? Okay, actually, I don't know. Right. Yeah, I forget. I totally blanked out where I was going with this. I think I wanted to like plant everything first and then just have it so it keeps farming, but I forgot you need to replant things. So what I should do actually though is I'm just gonna get rid of this. I'm just gonna make this equals true. Okay, I'll do that. And then I'll say if need to till equals true, then let's till. Otherwise, we just skip that, right? And then basically, after the first time we go through a oh, wait, how's this gonna work? Okay. Hold on. When do we change this to false? You know, I should just go back to my column approach. Okay, so if counter equals 0, right? Basically, if counter to, oh shit, wait, how do I do this? You know what? Whatever. I'll just keep it like this. This is so bad. Okay. Oh, and I forgot to change. Oh, you know what? I could do this. This will be kind of jank, but say here counter plus equals 1. If counter is greater than 3, then need to tail equals false. There we go. That worked. Technically, it's running this more times than it needs to. I could just say if need to tail and counter then 3. That way it doesn't need to keep running this. You just have to keep setting it to false over and over again. Okay. Do 2 flips. Find your own function. List. Let's get some more speed. Alright. Sick. Just increase the yield of grass. Ooh, wait, actually, yeah, let's go for this. Okay, what does this look like now? What the hell? Okay. This should just be get world size, I think. Maybe I need to do -1 there. Okay, that seemed to do the trick. Trees, water the plants so they can grow faster. Ooh, increase the yield. Wait, and cost. Alright, let's learn how to do trees. Okay, trees are a better way to get wood than bushes. We give a wood each. The growing time is double for each tree. Wait. Trees like to have some space, and planting them right next to each other will slow down their growth. The growing time is doubled for each tree that is on a tile directly to the north, east, south, or west of it. If you plant trees on every tile, they will take longer to grow. Oh, the growing time is doubled. Okay, honestly, this is what I do. So here I'll just add another. Keep forgetting I can't do that. Okay. I'll do plant these dot tree. But I'll only plant if counter what is it, modulo 2 equals 0. And basically that this means it'll only plant every even days, I think. Yeah, there you go. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what the purpose of doing a flip is. It just seems like it wastes more time. So although it was nice to look at, I'm going to get rid of it now. Whoa, what the fuck? Wait, why am I not starting from the beginning? What the wait, what? Wait, what the heck is going on? Wait, why am I starting all the way from the back now? What? What? Huh? Why am I starting from here now? What? Wait, it was just working. I'm so confused. It was just working. Why is this completely... What is this? I didn't think that the range thing mattered. What the fuck? I mean, this technically works too, but... What the fuck is going on here? Why is it starting up there? Is it really because he's not doing the flip anymore? There's no ways he does the flip. Wait, was it actually because of the flip? Oh my god, it was actually because of the flip. What? Wait, do you know what that means, right? I have to like... So I clear and then I do a flip. Like that's how I have to start my programs, okay? Interesting. That's so weird. Okay. What is next? And trees. Wait, let me just look at the achievements. Just go achievement hunting. Equip a new hat. Oh yeah, let me get this hat thing going on. Change hat. Do I have random? Are you random? No. Okay. Change hat. That's dot. Graphic cone. Let's do it. There we go. Okay. Farm 1,000 carrots. We're on the way to that. Pumpkins. We don't have pumpkins. Okay. Pet the piggy. Pet the piggy, bro. Gotta pet the piggy. Pet the piggy. Oh my god. Wait. That's awesome. Alright, what else? Pass a function as an argument to a function. Holy shit. Water the entire farm above water level 0.5. Spawn a maze. Alpha maze that feels awful. Use multiple drones? Wait, what the fuck? Equip the dinosaur hat. You're an infected plant. Holy... Oh wait, there is a flip one. 2,000 flips. Oh fuck. Okay, hold on. Alright, every time we move east, we're gonna do a flip. Okay. Do a flip. Okay, we pet the piggy for good luck and then we start a farm. Every time we move over, we do a flip. The flip's gotta be faster, man. This is excruciatingly slow. Alright, what else? Let me move this to the top. Dude, we've only done 270 flips. That's kind of crazy, actually. get on the full reset leaderboard? What is this? Farm 200 carrots in 1 minute? Dang. My highest is 81. Unlock everything. Do 5 different hats on 5 drones. I'm a furry VTuber, leave me alone. I'm just trying to be a furry. Let me live my furry dreams, bro. Alright, what else do we have? We could unlock faster speed, but we're doing a flip every time, so honestly, I don't think speed's really new. Well, do I flip faster? It does say increases the speed of the drone. Flip. You do flip. Takes 1 second to execute. Oh, this action is not affected by speed upgrades. Oh my god. What do we need more of? Wood? I think we need more wood. Oh wait, we gotta get pumpkins. Man, this. Okay. Good. Okay. Gotta reorient everything. Okay. Pumpkins grow like carrots on tilled soils. Planting them costs carrots. When all the pumpkins in a square are fully grown, they will grow together to form a giant pumpkin. Unfortunately, pumpkins have a 20% of chance of dying once they are fully grown, so you will need to replant the dead ones if you want them to merge. What? When a pumpkin dies, it leaves behind a dead pumpkin that won't drop anything when harvested. Planting a new plant in its place automatically removes the dead pumpkin, so there's no need to harvest. And the harvest always returns false on dead pumpkins. Bro, what? They're just making this complicated for no reason. It's a good idea to get at least a 6x6 pumpkin to get the full multiplier. What? Does we die and prevent the mega? This means that even if you plant a pumpkin on every tile in a square, one of the pumpkins may die and prevent the mega pumpkin from growing. What? And harvest returns false on dead pumpkins, then what's the point of planting a new plant in its place automatically removes the dead? What the fuck? So you can't just blindly plant if and harvest is false. But like you kinda gotta. What? Okay. Okay, this is gonna be really weird. Did we unlock functions? Function could be worth. I want to make it so that I plant pumpkins like here and then like here. So columns 1 and 2, and then skip 3, 4, and then do 5, 6. So I could do something like this, where I say if I divided by 5 equals 1, or I divided by 6 equals 1.
Is that the coding on in game?
Yeah.
How's it going?
I'm trying to I'm trying to plant pumpkins right now. Mm-hmm. And but I only want to do this if not counter divided by 3 equals 1. Or wait, if not counter divided by 4 equals 1, like that. Oh wait, no, and I have to till it too, right? I have to say if need to till equals true, then till, then plant. This is not gonna work for the dead pumpkins, which I don't know how I'm gonna handle right now. Gotta see this. Holy fuck, let's go. Those are pumpkins made. Oh, it became a big one. Wait, what? Okay, that didn't quite work. Oh, cause okay. Wait, hold on. It's because counter equals 0, so there should be 2 and 3. No, one of the pumpkins died already. Okay, it should skip these 2. Holy fuck. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I need to wait. I didn't replant these pumpkins. Wait, why didn't it? Huh? Oh, because it's only. Oh my god. Okay. It only plants them once I... What the fuck? Ow. Oh. I have it kind of working, but definitely the pumpkin logic needs some work. Now plant pumpkin on grassland. Let me just restart this. No, okay. This is dead pumpkin. When harvested, gives nothing. Okay, I don't know what that means. Alright, whatever. Watering plants makes them grow faster. Let me try this. Okay. Plants grow faster when they're watered. The ground has a watering level ranging from 0.1. Leave 0 to 5 point. Okay. The ground dries up over time. On average, it loses 1% of its current water per second, but there's some random variance to this. You can use watering on your plants. 1 tank of water is automatically added to your inventory every 10 seconds. Upgrading. Okay. What I'm gonna do is let's do a harvest and harvest W. Okay. What that's gonna do is okay, what it's gonna do. Current water equals get water. If current water equals 0, then we're going to water. Oh, use item. Use item. Items dot water. Okay. Oh shit. And then return and harvest. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is basically every single tile, it's going to check if we can harvest it, but before we harvest it, it's gonna water it if it's completely dried up. All right, let's try this. Do you pet the piggy? What? Functions must be unlocked. Oh wait, I thought okay, there we go. All right, I know how functions work. All right, let's do this again. Okay, we see our water going down. Oh, we got a giant pumpkin. What's going on? Tried to use water but didn't have enough of it. Oh. Well, I guess how can I check how much water I have? If items dot water dot, I don't know. Is this a thing? Can I do this? I don't think I can do this, so let's try it. Okay, yeah. Water is not a number. Oh, num items. Okay. If num items. There we go. Now, if it's dried up, it'll water it, but only if I have water to actually use. Harvest W. Wait, what? Unlock senses must. What? Okay, that's dumb. Okay, whatever. I guess we'll just be. Well, what the hell is senses? Oh. Oh, drone can see what's under it and where it is. Wait. That's big. That's big, actually. Identity type energy. Wait, this is huge. This is actually huge. Actually ginormous. It's ginormous and I kind of forget why. Wait, okay, wait. I actually kind of want to rewrite this now, actually. So instead of can harvest W, let's just say get entity type W. Get entity W. Okay, wait, so entity type equals get entity type W. We're gonna water it and then get the entity type, right? And then we're gonna say else and harvest. Okay. And then we're gonna say if entity type equals entities dot dead pumpkin. Let's fucking go. Okay. Dead pumpkin. Then we're gonna fix this dead pumpkin here. How do we fix the dead pumpkin again? Pumpkins. When a pumpkin dies, it leaves behind a dead pumpkin. That won't drop anything. Planting a new plant in its place automatically removes the dead pumpkin. Okay, so let's just create a new function because I might need it later. I'm gonna say fix dead pumpkin. And basically all we're gonna do is just do plant entities dot okay, so right now this is the only way to fix it, but basically fix that pumpkin. Okay, wait, let's try this now. Okay. Let's get it. Codes are actually working. Okay, so I need to fix this where It only harvests here, so it's not replanting them here. Oh, but we can see if it, okay, we can see if it fixes this now. Wait, what? It didn't fix the dead pumpkin. Oh, wait, I'm so dumb. Okay, return. Oops. Get entity type. Okay, there we go. Okay. So hopefully it comes back and fixes the dead pumpkin. Alright. I need to fix the code where when it farms as a mega pumpkin, it needs to know to plant the rest of them there. Oh yes, it did it. It did it. It fixed the broken one. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do a little hacky hack and just do this as well. L if p type equals entities dot soil. Wait, no. Grounds dot soil. Grass. Wait, find out what kind of entities underneath the drone. Returns none of the tiles empty, otherwise returns the type of entity under the drone. Wait. Do we not have grounds type? Get entity type. Oh, get ground type. Here we go. Okay, so if entity type equals none, if get ground type equals grounds dot soil, then let's plant a pumpkin. Okay, let's try this. Wait, what account are you playing on, Ruffian? Ruffian, what account are you playing on? Hello? Oh. She's ignoring me? What's going on? He just hates me, I guess. No, just say you hate me. Yo, now that Lynn's here, we have 5, right? Where did a beer go? Wasn't a beer in the game? Oh, he was just watching. And never mind, we don't have 5 then. We'll get your brother on. Oh. Code triggered a warning. Click the icon to view details in the output. Cannot plant pumpkins on grounds grassland. They're trying to use equals function on get ground type. This is the function object itself, not the function return value. Did you mean to call? Oh shit. You right? You right. Alright, damn, I've been playing this game for like 79 minutes. Alright, yeah, I think it's time to call it, but let me just see this. Okay. Gonna line up. Gonna get this dead pumpkin and plant a new pumpkin. Okay. Alright, and then when it goes to pick this giant pumpkin, it should replace it with yes. Okay, let's freaking go. I don't see it watering anything though anymore. If I'm being honest. The water levels for all of this stuff is 0. I'm not sure why it's not using. Yeah, I'm not sure why this say if it's less than 0.25, then use it. Why is it's not using it? Wait. Get entity type. It's not watering. Oh wait, it is using water. Kinda? Or maybe I fixed it. Maybe doing 0 is not the move. Yeah, now I'm using up all my water. Okay. Okay. Alright. I think that's a good stopping point. We are getting some errors here and there from something about the pumpkin. I'm not sure what. But oh yeah, we just got it. Can I plant pumpkin on grassland? I'm not sure. I'm not sure why. Tried to use water but didn't have enough of it. Yeah, that's expected. Wait, I think we unlocked num items actually from this. Num unlocked. Num. Oh, yeah. We did unlock this actually, so now we can do this. We don't get that error anymore. So we can check to see if our water is 0. If it's not at 0. If we have more than 0 waters. I guess a better way of writing that would just be if we don't have 0, but whatever. It's fine, it's fine. Alright, I'm gonna call it there. This is fun.